We got this 4.5 pound bass here on this swim bait on this jig trailer, and we're at Miami State Fishing Lake today, and they're biting pretty good. And you guys want to see some more? Check out Wild Bill's Adventures Outdoors.
Oh no.
Okay, you're good.
Oh, I got a big old bass. Oh yeah. Wow,
Bring him over,
big
bring
one.
him.
Oh, got him. Yes, look at that big bass.
Oh, that's a good bass.
Hold on, let me loosen up the line. Wow.
You got him, Bill.
Woo, look at that. I wish I had this on. You would have saw that bass jump.
That's a fat one, dude.
Whoa. That's a big one. Yeah. We'll see how big this puppy is. Get that hook out. Wow. Yeah, good choice of this lake.
Yeah,
oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm going to find out how much he weighs. Yeah. If I had the camera on a little sooner, I should have just turned it on when I threw it on there. I would have had that jumping. 50 pounds. No, it's joking.
That'd be funny.
That'd be a striper. Come on, turn on battery. Hey, 2 pounds 13. 2 pounds and 13 ounces. Woohoo! Look at that. He's 2 pounds and 13 ounces, 16.5 inches long. It's time to put him back in the water. Let's see. Whoa, he wants out. There he goes. Woo-wee. Wild Bill's Adventures Outdoor. Good day of fishing. That's a good sized bass, I tell ya. Oh, yeah. Whoa, where's that jump from?
Right up there. There's big fish. See, there's big fish right out here in front of us.
See if you can catch him.
See, look, there was a big one right there.
Huh?
See that mud? That was from a fish.
What there? He jumped right here.
They're a big carp. I think.
Oh, there's a carp there.
Yeah, see that one right there?
Yeah. Yeah, there's a big carp right there. Look at that old carp. I didn't get that on video, but there's a...
Oh, I'm gonna drop the worms in the water.
Yeah, get that carp. Have a little excitement.
Oh yeah, that would be cool. Oh yeah, let's put worms on. Yeah, that's a big carp. Look at him. He's probably about 20 pounds.
Yeah.
He doesn't even know we're here.
Is that pretty awesome?
Yeah.
Are we still foot long?
Yeah, it's like a foot.
Oh.
It's only a foot deep here. This whole area we've been in is only a foot deep.
Wow. That's awesome. That's why I get snagged up so easily.
Yeah.
Oh, I had a fish right there.
Did you?
Yeah, I jerked it out his mouth too quickly. It wasn't a big hit, it was a small bass. Oh, carps. They're just all rolling up there.
There's like 4 or 5 of them going over that way.
Yeah.
There's big ones in here too. They're like 30-pound carp. Dang it. Oop, got it. Cool. Are you okay?
Yep. Never touched me.
Let's see if we can find another one. It's like a mud flat almost, like their mud flat.
Yep. There's a carp.
Where?
What was moving up there? Now that'd be a good cover for the largemouth bass, right in all that stuff. Bald eagle. Hey, look up there. In front of us. See, way up there?
Oh, yeah, I see him.
Bald eagle, there it is.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Too bad this camera can't get that good a view that far. I don't know if you can just see it on 65-inch TV. We'll find out if I don't forget it, record it. There we go. Well, the camera's messing up, but he got a little bullhead. He'll show it to you here in real quick, like. There it is. Look at the bullhead.
Good old bullhead.
Awesome.
It's a fat one too. That is good eating.
Oh, strike at it right about now. How about now? Or never.
That bullhead wanted them worms.
He did.
Yeah, we'll have to go drift. That's because he was sitting on top in them brush pile or that grass, whatever he was sitting in, and we drifted over top of him. He came up and ate it.
Fish finders know what you're seeing.
I know.
Kind of up our game, especially when a few more weeks when we go ahead and do the muskies and sturgeon. That fish finder going to be come in handy for us.
Oh, it's a drum.
Oh well, it'll still be fun. He got a drum. Bring that thing over here. There we go. There's his drum.
We're on top of that brush right now. That grass.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Getting in fish today. Woo! Yes. Woohoo! Not much bigger than the bait. There we go. Oh yeah. Time to let the little baby bass go. Woohoo! That's it. Woo! He's gonna fly. Here he goes. Well, not yet.
Flew off. He's still there.
There he goes. Oh.
Sorry.
Well, I don't know if he even got it or not. Who knows? Getting closer. He's like, oh, okay, here he goes. Here he goes. I just. That'd be a good view if we're getting close enough. That was should show on TV.
Yeah.
There we go. There we go. Ooh-wee. Oh, look at him standing up on there.
Pretty cool.
You know, there's gonna be a piece of Woohoo! That's good enough. All right, Alex got a good bit of fish coming in.
On a jig.
All right. Yeah.
Look at that bass, boy.
That's a huge bass. Oh my, that's got to be.
Woo! That's got to be about 5 or 6 pounds, man. Look at that.
Yeah.
I knew they wanted that jig, Bill. This one's definitely big enough to keep,
Yeah.
Bill. This one's definitely big enough to keep.
We can measure it when we get it up.
Oh, I'm gonna freak. My girlfriend's gonna be freaked out by this thing. Oh yeah, this is about a 6 pound bass.
I got this thing here. Let me turn it on.
Ooh, we gotta take a picture of this, boy.
Yeah, let me get my camera. Hold on.
That's about a 6.
Yeah, that's a big one.
Yeah, buddy. Look.
Okay. Awesome.
Look at that. Dude, he really did want that too.
That is huge. All right. Oh wait, let me put a video of it too. On the. Hold on. Okay, go ahead.
Big old boy. About 4 or 5 pounds. And we just had a bite on the worms too, Bill.
Yeah.
Something's biting the worms right now.
Keeping that. Hold on. Let me get this. Crap. Let me get that basket.
Yeah, I got it right here.
You got one?
Yeah, I got one right here.
Okay, you can put yours one in there.
I got that bullhead there.
We'll measure that thing when we get back.
Yeah, we'll let them recuperate for a while.
Yeah.
Wait, how big is your basket? Is your basket bigger than this?
It's about the same size.
Okay.
You may want. Well, I don't know. Yeah. Yeah, you better go that route. That's big. That'll hold it. Wow, that's so big.
Big old bat. He too big for the freaking thing, dude. Big old boy. About 4 or 5 pounds. And we just had a bite on the worms too, Bill.
Yeah.
Something's biting the worms right
Uh-oh.
now.
Keeping that. Hold on. Alex and I, while we're taking a rest right now, we're starting up the fire on this fire pit here. And we're going to cook some steaks and have some lunch here in a little bit. We'll go back out there and see if we can catch some more fish. We got this anchor down. There's a clamp. It's on there I bought. It's pretty solid with a rope. That's a really nice setup. So, about ready. Get ready to do some cooking. Cooking up some steaks. And we got some pepper, stuffed cream bacon. There we go.
Good to go.
All right, I forgot the paper plate and fork, but I have a substitute with a table, and tin foil will be our plate. And we're getting ready to go eat. Oh yeah. Woo! Woo-wee. That's delicious. You should be here enjoying the food with us. It's Wild Bill's Adventures Outdoor. Come on, let's have more adventure, and we'll see if we catch more fish today. Woo! Oh yeah. Our food chow down. We're almost done. A little dab of steak in my hand, ready to eat. Just relax. Nice, hot weather, somewhat. But hey, it's a good day to go fishing.
Definitely was.
Yeah, Alex got him 4.5 pounds, just a little bit over 4.5 pound largemouth bass. Woo-hoo!
It was a good day, y'all.
That's right. All right, Alex here. He's getting ready to release the big old bass. 4.5 pounder. He's going to go right back in the lake, everybody.
We've been letting this bad boy recuperate a little bit so that he ain't so bad when we let him in. Now he's all green again. He's going crazy, y'all. Okay.
All right, I'll tell you when.